Good morning children, welcome to the math class. This is chapter 2 from class 7 NCERT book, fractions and decimals. Before starting this, we want to recapitulate the types of fraction which you have already learned in class 6. Types of fractions, there are 3 types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. When it is proper fraction, then what is proper fraction? When numerator is less than the denominator. This is proper fraction. Examples of proper fraction I have given: 2 by 5. Give another one, say 4 by 7. Whatever the numerator and denominator, numerator will be less than the denominator. For an improper fraction, just opposite of it. Denominator is less than the numerator. So denominator is smaller. The same way I can write 7 by 4 is an example of improper fraction. Now the last one is mixed fraction, which is the next part of improper fraction. When an improper fraction is there, if you divide it, say it is 5 by 2, and if you divide 5 by 2, then you will get 2 2s are 4, 1 is there as a remainder, then 1 by 2. If you express 5 by 2 as 2 1 by 2, then it is same as 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. But the improper fraction I can express in the form of mixed fraction. Same as 7 by 4, if I divide it by 7 by 4 only, say 7 divided by 4, what we are doing? 4 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. I can't give 4 2s are, then 4 1s are 4. It is 3 by 4. So instead of 7 by 4, I can write 1 3 by 4. Understood? 1 3 by 4. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7, 7 by 4. We can express improper fraction as mixed fraction also. Understood? Now come to the next sum. We will start exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Exercise question number 1. Subdivision 1. Roman 1. You have to subtract 3 by 5 from 2. The question is given in this way only. So what you can do? You can do in many ways. First of all, you know that it is 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. Make it equivalent fraction. So I need the denominator to be 5. So 1 into 5 you can do, and then you can't multiply denominator only with any number. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number. So 2 into 5. Now that both the denominators become 5. It was already 3 by 5 and I have made this one also 5 by multiplying denominator 1 with 5. Now what you have got? 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5. This is an elaborate way we are doing. Now you are in class 7, directly also you can do. But the first sum I am doing some elaborate way. 10 minus 3 equal to 7 by 5. You can express the number as it is an improper fraction. So you can express the number as a mixed fraction. 7 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, 2, so 1, 2 by 5. It is in the form of mixed fraction 1, 2 by 5. Understood? Come to the next sum. The same way you can do here the LCM of 1 and 4, 1 and 8. It is 4, 4. It was only whole number 4. We can consider 1 is there. So what will be the LCM of 1 and 8? You know LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. So make it 8. 4 by 1, you want to make it 8. So numerator also multiply by the same number, plus 7 by 4, 7 by 8. Now the numerator of 4 8s are 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8. What you will get? 8, 32 plus 7. Next, from here 32 plus 7, 39 by 8 In a mixed fraction, you can express it. I'm doing it in a rough way. 39 by 8, rough work. 7, 7 by 8, 7 by 8. Now you can write 4, 7 by 8. Understood? The same way you can do the addition of this one. Now the denominators are different. And the LCM of 5 and 7. You can write LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Because they don't have any common factor. If you do this LCM, what you will get? 5 and 7. You can't divide it by any common number. So this is the only, you have to divide it by 1 and the 5 and 7. So the LCM equal to 5 into 7, that is 35. So LCM is 35. Now make the denominator 35. It was already 3 by 5 and it was 2 by 7. When this one 5 you want to make 35, as you are making LCM 35 in both the denominators, you want to see that it is 35. So you have to multiply 5 by 7, and also the numerator also with the same number. Here you want to make this one this denominator 35, so you need to multiply it by 5. This also you have to multiply by 5. After that, what you will do? 35, 3 7 are 21 plus 10 by 35. Now both the denominators are same, so you can take it as a common denominator, and 21 plus 10, it is 31 by 35. It is a proper fraction, so it is the answer also. No need to make it, you can't make it mixed fraction. Next sum. Now next sum is, it is a mixed fraction. 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. You have to make it an improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So how, this is the first time you are doing this one, that's why I am doing this in an elaborate way. But next time I will expect that all of you will do this calculation, mental calculation. Now 2 into 3. How to make an improper fraction into, how to make a mixed fraction into improper fraction? 2 3s, you have to multiply these two numbers and then add with this. So 2 into 3 plus 2 by the denominator. What is the denominator? 3. So it is the, again 3 into 2 plus numerator. So what is the number? 8. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 plus 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Now the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM 6. Now you have to make the LCM same. Here it was 3, 8 by 3, and here it was 7 by 2. You want to make this LCM denominator 6. So you need to multiply it by 2. Both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 2. And here you have to multiply, to make it 6, you need to multiply it by 3. Both the numerator and denominator you should multiply by 3. Then what is the number? 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6. Now what you have got, it is common LCM, common denominator is 6 now. 16 plus 21, then 16 plus 21, it is 3, and it is 3 and it is 7. 37 by 6, or you can express it into mixed fraction also. Next, 16 plus 21, 37 by 6. If you divide it, you will get 6 1 by 6. 6 is 36 plus 1, 37 by 6. You have to give the answer in the mixed fraction. Come to the next sum. It is 7, 8, 1 by 2 minus 3, 5 by 8. You can see that it is also mixed fraction. So how to do? 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. In a laboratory here also I have done, but from the next time I will not do. 8 2 just 16 plus 1, 17 by 2 minus 3 8s are 24 plus 5, 29 by 8. Now you have to find out the LCM of 2 and 8. it will be 8, as 8 is in the multiple, 8 is a multiple of 2. So 8 is the LCM. You can see by doing the LCM also you can verify. Now you want to make the denominator 8. So it was 17 by 2. You are multiplying it by 4, and it was 29 by 8, and you want to multiply it by, you want to make the denominator 8. So 8 into 1. In this way, 17 into 4, 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8. The denominator is 8. Then 68 minus 28. What is the result? 39 by 8. And you have to express it into mixed fraction. If you subtract 29 from 68, you will get 39. 39 by 8, again it is an improper fraction, so you can express it as a mixed fraction and give the answer. Thank you, students. Whatever we have explained today, I hope all of you understood. You need to practice, and I will give one worksheet today which you have to solve and submit for the next day. Thank you, students.